Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, experiences, and fun, fun, fun. Do you know, as clients of Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're always asking you, send us pictures of your trip, send us videos, just send us anything that shows how much fun you're having, including telling us exactly what you thought of your experience. We love your feedback because we want to make your life more fun, or as it is said in our industry, funner. So we got some feedback from a fun-loving group that had a whale of a time just these last few days as they did a whirlwind tour of South Florida and then headed on to Central Florida. I tell you, these guys know how to get the fun on, and I'm sure that from the moment they boarded the plane to the moment they touched down once again, it was fun non-stop. So join us as we take a little peek into what makes fun happen as you book your getaway with Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You're on for a great trip. We can't wait to share your fun. Ciao for now.
Video where I make our this is me and Chantal again, and we're at the Staybridge Suites in Fort Lauderdale. So all you haters who didn't want to come on our trip, bye.
We're not missing you.
Not at all. And so we're gonna go over to Nadine. I don't know how to turn to Nadine, so we're gonna go cause like that, look like that. Where is the thing on the camera though? So, okay. Your blood. So let's turn the other way and say hi, Nadine and Andrew.
And who are we saying hi to?
The people who don't want to come on our trip. Yes, hi. And look, there's Dion. Hi, Dion. No, you need a more enthusiastic hi. Hi. And there is. What a big girl in the back. Oh, that's Renee. Woo. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to turn around the screen. I don't know how to do it. And this is Donna. Donna. Hi, Donna. Who does not want to be? And let's go meet Jose. And look, Glenmore. Hi, Glenmore. Hi.
Oh, make video me there and wave like a funny man wave.
Yesterday, I'm like Andrew was Spider-Man, today Glenmore is Superman. And this is Joe. Joe will be our driver for today. Say hi, Joe. Hey. Hi. And this is a gentleman that we don't know, but hi.
Come to the Bahamas next time.
Oh yeah, we'll come to the Bahamas next time on a cruise.
Yeah.
Say hi, Kalisha. Hi. You have to say hi, Kalisha. And that's Hamlet. Hi, Hamlet. Okay, I'm crazy, guys, so I'm signing off.
You can't
I don't know if we said hi to Richard before. Say hi, Richard.
Somebody sitting here.
Who said that?
No, I'm like you.
We are talking.
No, because I'm sitting back here.
Okay, so Richard just asked. And that's Samantha. Say hi, Samantha.
Alright, sorry, man.
I love Andrew glasses, I see, but
Ellie want forward, you know,
friend him
and I'm
later.
back in.
Bye. Oh, say hi, Ellie. Say hi, Ellie.
Big up.
Alright, it's a sandwich. Alright. Muffins.
I'm telling you when I song when we know. In the chorus come.
This is the sound of my soul. This is the sound.
Feed me the word. Feed me the word.
Sing that
must come back again.
What's your
Ride the next line. Wow.
I know this much is I know this much is true.
Richard, your turn.
You're second verse. Just begun. This is the sound of my soul. This is the sound.
Carry some wire.
I know this much I know this much is true.
And now I come back again. To ride the next line. Oh, I want
Go.
Your turn now.
I know this much is true. Much is true. Can you have here? Turn the AC on.
I just let it blow in the window.
Alright, one of my parties. Little awareness of the camera for me.
So that was us. Oh my God, look at my belly.
Ah, she's so proud of it.
I just say like this until the song ends.
Then move it, then you end up on it again.
Okay guys, bye.
My bed and hear the clock tick. I think of you. Come on, play a song.
Alright, not even part. The only walk with a paper, the lyrics them going.
Mr. Fix and darkness has turned to gray. Watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets don't walk in time. The secrets are not time. If you're lost, then you will find it. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time.
Oh, alright, yeah, you know, yeah, I'm thinking the same like it's a real thing. And I didn't get it.
I don't know if it's like
Yeah.
Go slow. Hey, yeah. The same one. If you're lost, if you look, then you will find me. Time after time.
Listen to the words, not the voice.
If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you look, then you will find me. Time after time. I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time.
I didn't get them look when I see why they're looking.
Time after time.
Yeah. I should have described
Time after time.
Yeah, we have kind of movie editing. Yeah.
93.1 with the most music for your weekend. Favorites from the 80s, 90s, and more. Good morning. Here's
I want that phone for me. I'm gonna give me